ബ്രാഹ്മിൺസ് ചട്നിപ്പൊടി ഇനി ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആകും സൂപ്പർ ഫാസ്റ്റ്.
സിനിമയാണോ നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്വപ്നം? ഗ്ലോബൽ അക്കാദമി നൽകുന്ന UGC അംഗീകൃത സർട്ടിഫൈഡ് കോഴ്സ് ഇൻ സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് റൈറ്റിംഗ് ആൻഡ് ഫിലിം ഡയറക്ഷൻ പ്രോഗ്രാമിലേക്ക് അഡ്മിഷൻ ഉറപ്പാക്കൂ.
To launch the first look poster of the Malayalam movie Mike, being brought to you by JA Entertainment. Plus, I'll be inviting and introducing the cast and the crew of the movie. They'll be all here on the stage. Anishesham, a photo session. Anishesham, we'll have a Q&A session. ഒരുപാട് പേരുടെ സ്നേഹവും സന്തോഷവും ഒക്കെ ചോദ്യങ്ങളിലൂടെ അറിയിക്കേണ്ട ഒരു സമയമാണ് അത്. You'll get to know more about the movie then as well. But right now, let me tell you just one thing. Mike will be a sure bet. One more big round of applause so that we can begin. Everyone together. Thank you. Soon, as of now, നമുക്ക് അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഫസ്റ്റ് ലുക്ക് പോസ്റ്റർ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കും എന്ന് കാണാം. അതിൻ്റെ ലോഞ്ചിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. സോ ഒരു ലോഞ്ച് ആകുമ്പോൾ വി നീഡ് ടു ഹാവ് എ ചീഫ് ഗസ്റ്റ്. ചീഫ് ഗസ്റ്റ് ഇപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ മുമ്പിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. Trust me, every time I look at that man, I'm skipping a heartbeat right from the beginning. അദ്ദേഹം കൊച്ചി എയർപോർട്ടിൽ, I'm absolutely shameless to say that, okay? And he landed at the Kochi airport കുറച്ച് നേരം മുമ്പ്, straight to the venue. He is here. He's incredibly handsome and he is a brilliant actor. He has made us Malayalis super proud of whatever he has did. He's the heartthrob of all us women all across the globe. One big round of applause for the chief guest of the day and of course the producer of the movie Mike. We have John Abraham. Everyone, let's make some noise for him. Well, oh my God. Welcome. Now I'm going to hand over the mic to you. Please speak to your fans. Yeah.
A very good evening to all of you. My sincere apologies, first of all. We were supposed to start this event at 7:30. My flight was on the runway in Mumbai, so sincere apologies that we're running half an hour late. Ginu, great job. Thank you for introducing me so graciously. It's a very proud moment for me to be here, coming back home and introducing this film Mike, directed by Vishnu, starring Ranjit and Aishwarya. And when we're still into shooting and we're having a great time. I've seen a lot of the rushes, I must say. And I've always believed that Malayalam cinema probably today, as far as this country goes, provides the best content in this country, literally so. And the natural progression for me as a producer would be to work on original content from the cinema, which is why I'm here and which is why I'm proudly presenting Mike. And just a little more about Mike. First, I just want to introduce someone really special to you, a reason why this film has happened. That's my good friend Edgar Pinto. Edgar, come in. Come. Edgar's actually helped me a lot in sourcing material, and I've always wanted to come down south to the Malayalam film industry and make films happen. I'm happy it's finally, don't be shy, Edgar. You can come. You know, I'm happy it's finally happening. And before I took this project up, and it happened even with Vicky Dono. When I took up Vicky Dono, a lot of people told me I'm making the wrong choice and it's not a smart film to do. It was way beyond its time, and they asked me, the director then told me that, John, are you the perfect guy for this role? Would you do it? And I told him, I'm not the perfect guy for this role. I'll get you the perfect actor for this role. And that's where we got this young actor called Ayushmann Khurrana, who's made such a big mark for himself. And we're all so proud of him. Similarly, we're a production house because we want to launch original content. We want to work with fresh faces. I proudly introduce Ranjit to you. Ranjit, come on stage. New talent, and I must say this about Ranjit. I've been seeing some of your content. I've been watching the rushes of the film on an everyday basis. We've still got 20 days of shoot left, and about 3 weeks left, and it's very, very exciting. I'd like to get Aishwarya up on stage. Come. This girl will blow everybody's mind, huh? Come. And I'd like to get the most important person without which this film wouldn't be possible, and that's our director, Vishnu. Come. So Vishnu's made this film happen. And like I said, it's all about content. We make good films. We make not so good films. It's all a process. And that's what I was just telling Ranjit and Aishwarya when we were sitting there. I said, do not concentrate on the result of whatever you're doing. Concentrate on the process. And be concerned about what you're doing in this process, because life's a journey. Each one of you has a journey. The journey has just begun. So it's a great process. And where content is concerned, I was very particular that I get a narration and I listen to the script before we okay anything. And I remember Vishnu coming down, narrating the film in my office in Mumbai, and I had my producer from my Hindi film sitting with me, and she's got a great eye for content, you know, and she broke down crying in the middle of listening to the film, and she was wiping her tears, and she's saying, this is really moving me, this is really moving me. And I take cues from everywhere, so I just looked at her and I said, it's working. And, you know, and that's why we're here. Mike's a beautiful story. For me, Mike's a journey. It's more than a slice of life. It's a progression of two people, two characters in this film. And I think it's being beautifully told by Vishnu. I get a report on an everyday basis, Sanjeev, and I get a report on an everyday basis from Eddie on what's happening on the set, what we've got in terms of a camera, what shot has been done. And it's a beautiful process, and Eddie, thank you so much for actually making this happen. And like I said, always proud to be a Mallu.
Since because you're proud to be a Mallu, anything in Malayalam you would love to tell us?
My Malayalam is very culture. When I want tea, I say, I just ask for my chai or my cold water. You know, so I just know a little here and there, but I love Mallu food, and I love puttu, and I love all the appams, and I enjoy that. So when I was shooting for Madras Cafe, we were shooting in Kochi, and I was staying at Eddie's Hotel, Old Harbour, and I think every day there was a carton of appams and all, and that used to come for me. I think I became happy and healthy. But I love the food from here.
No, you are still fit and young and super handsome. Anyway, I think you'd have to start doing your job, which is to launch the first look poster of our movie. You can right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the first look poster launch of the movie, Naik. So that is it. You wanted to play it again? You want to see it again? Huh? It is already here. Let's hang it up. Alright. So this is the first look poster of Mike being presented to you by JA Entertainment. So I would now love to request John Abraham to please kindly join me back on stage. This time together with him, I would also be inviting the cast and crew as well. Starting off with both of you can join. Plus the director of the movie, Vishnu Shivaprasad. He has proven his mettle at the age of 23 with his debut feature film. We have Ranjit Sajeev, we have Vanashwara Rajan, the very beautiful lady. Ranadive, known for his cinematography for Anju Sundarigal, Comrade in America, Vijay Super and Kaunamiyam, Argentina Fans, Kautur Kadava and Shiloh. Can I have you on stage please sir, Mr. Ranadive? The writer Ashik Ali Akbar. This is a coming of age story, and as far as we know, it is beautifully written by Mr. Ashik. Please sir. The editor, Mr. Vivek Harshan, is a national award winning editor. Mr. Vivek, he's also been a part of Big B, Sagar Elias, Jackie, Anwar, Marian, Ezra and so on. Our fight master Phoenix Prabhu, he's here as well. Our art director Ranjit Kodhari. So this is a group photo session. നേരത്തെ ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റാതിരുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു അവസരമാണത്. You have been very important people related to the movie Nine. Okay, maybe I shall ask director sir. അതൊരു കമ്മിങ് ടു ഏജ് മൂവി ആണെന്നുള്ളതാണ് നമ്മളൊരു ഒറ്റ സെൻറ്റൻസിൽ ഇതിനെപ്പറ്റി പറഞ്ഞ് ഞാൻ കേട്ടിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഷൂട്ടിംഗ് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 75% ആയി എന്ന് കേൾക്കുന്നു. നമ്മുടെ സമ്മർ വെക്കേഷൻസിൻ്റെ തിയേറ്റർ ഹിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമെന്ന് കേൾക്കുന്നു. എന്താണ് ഈ സിനിമ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു വിഷയം എന്താണ്?
കൂടുതൽ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് അങ്ങനെ ഇപ്പം ഡിസ്ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യാൻ
പറയണ്ട, എന്നാലും ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു
രണ്ടുപേരുടെ ലൈഫിലുണ്ടാകുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളിലൂടെ പോകുന്നു എന്ന് മാത്രമാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ പറയാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്.
ഭയങ്കര സർപ്രൈസ് സസ്പെൻസ് ഒക്കെ ആണല്ലോ.
So how do you balance your career with some variety movies are there? Also you are balancing it with the commercial ones.
So that's a very good question. You have to balance commerce with content, and usually if you can marry the two, then you've got a magic potion. Most of the times that doesn't happen. So we make commercial films, they work, sometimes they fail. Where J Entertainment is concerned, we curate all our content. We work on our content. Usually the germ happens from my brain. I decide that I want to make a film on nuclear testing, or I feel that I need to make a film on the assassination of my ex-prime minister, and then we write for months and months and months, and there have been more films, more scripts than the ones we released, that after working on it for about 2 years, we've just taken it and thrown it in the bin. It's never seen the light of day after a script stage. So we curate our content, we work a lot on it as J Entertainment, and we want to launch fresh talent. And that's how we want to do it on the content front. Now when this content becomes successful, then it becomes commercial. So that's how we work. A good film is a good film, a not so good film is a not so good film. But the idea is to make a different film, a film that the audience sees for the first time. So that's what J Entertainment and that's what our production house really concentrates on, creating original content and different content.
So when it came to J Entertainment, you have introduced someone like Ayushmann Khurrana. So what we can expect from the South cinema, from J Entertainment?
I can speak about the film. First, the fact that we're making a great story is good in itself. We've got a director who understands his craft, who's explained his craft very clearly as to how he sees the story. We've got two very able talent and many more, in fact, in the film. From the rushes that I've been seeing, I've been enjoying the process. But again, and this is, I really don't want to sit here and try and market a film when it's not ready. You never know how a film turns out till it's not put together. Scenes in individual spaces look really lovely, but once we put the film together, which is what I was telling Vishnu, we'll see how the film comes together, and we hope we make a good film by the end of it, and that's the aim.
Apart from this, Mike J Entertainment, about Pathaan upcoming.
That's a long way away. So a long way away.
Thank you.
Press, where are the...
You said when Vicky Donner came to you, you found the concept very novel and it was ahead of its time. So I would say Mike has also got a very new and novel concept. It can also be said it's ahead of its time. Very much different and unique its concept. So I want to know how confident you are and what do you think about how our audience will welcome our film, its concept. How our audience is going to enjoy this film.
I think it, as a Hindi film producer, if I was speaking as a Hindi film producer,
Okay.
I'd want to remake Mike into Hindi.
Super, awesome, yes.
So that's a big parameter in how you want to judge this. So when I give the one line, in our parlance we call it a one-liner. Can you narrate the story in one line? So when I narrate this idea to a lot of my producer director friends, they say, hey, we want to make this in Hindi. So that's a big indicator as to how excited
This will
people
come
are
out.
about the subject.
Yes.
And the subject's really, really beautiful. It's a
Super.
stunning subject.
Yes, exactly.
John sir, do you have any fitness tips for us? Fitness tips. Fitness tip.
I can give it to you, but if you don't follow it, then what?
I'll follow it.
Follow it, okay?
Yeah, definitely.
So don't drink, don't smoke. My father loves the single malt. I'm a Mallu half. Don't forget. So I'd say, you have to be on a very, very strict diet. I've not had sugar in the past, I think 30 plus years. So I'm very regimental about my food. I train every day. I'm predominantly practically vegan, but I'm vegetarian. So I've turned vegetarian. So I'm speaking
about protein?
I'm speaking to plant-based. So I'm speaking to an audience that really finds this concept very different and novel. But if you really want to lead a very disciplined life, it'll take me a long time and I can explain to you and you could transform yourself. It's worth the effort, trust me.
Thank you.
When can we see you in a Malayalam movie?
I'll need Vishnu and Ranjit and Ash to really help me with this whole process now. And if they can take me through this process, I'll definitely do it. And I've got enough friends here now who can help me with this process and we'll set up something interesting. But yeah, I wouldn't mind actually to start with, and on a very serious note, at least do some kind of an appearance to get myself and step in here, because I'm such a big fan of the cinema, of the actors here, be it Mohanlal sir, Mammootty sir, be it Prithvi, be it you mentioned everybody, Dulquer, you mentioned everybody is so fantastic here. Fahad Fasil, I saw Malik and I fell in love with it. It is so beautiful, and every film, Ayappan Koshi, Nayatu, every film is so evolved, so lovely that I've become such a big fan. So it's an honor actually for me to be working in this space. Now I have to find my foothold, learn the ways, and probably grow in this space.
ജെ എന്റർടൈൻമെന്റിന്റെ ബാനറിൽ മൈക്ക് എന്നുള്ള മൂവി ജോൺ അബ്രഹാം സാർ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴേക്കും ജോൺ സാറിന്റെ ഇവിടെ അനശ്വര പ്രതീഷ് ശേഖർ, ഓക്കെ, ഹായ്. അപ്പം ജോൺ സാറിന്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റും റൈറ്റും ഇരിക്കുന്ന നിങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരും ഈ പടത്തില് ആദ്യം അഭിനയിച്ചപ്പോ ജോൺ സാറിന്റെ കൂടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു മൊമെന്റ് കിട്ടുമെന്ന് പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പൊ എന്താണ് നിങ്ങൾക്കുള്ള ആ ഒരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ്, രണ്ടുപേരും പറയാമോ?
Hello everyone, my name is Ranjit. First experience in like acting has been something, performing has been something, and I'm passionate ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കാര്യമായിരുന്നു. കൊച്ചിലെ തന്നെ dancing and stage performances, I've been really enjoying that, and luckily I have such amazing parents who support me through this journey, and to get this opportunity is such a blessing, Satyam Varanya, and not only that, I'm sitting right next to John Abraham. Holy shit, that's a crazy moment, and but this opportunity is not something that everyone gets, and I want to make sure that I make the best use of it, because this is something I'm truly passionate about. And it's been a surreal experience. Got a hectic on that, like it's a lot of it's a journey. Like John sir said, like you have to enjoy the experience at the end of the day, and we've really been enjoying it. And the casting crew are really amazing, and we honestly cannot wait to show you what we've been cooking up. It's going to be great, and you guys will see soon. Thank you.
Yes, Anushwara?
ഇപ്പൊ ഈ ചോദിച്ച ചോദ്യത്തിന് എങ്ങനെ ആൻസർ പറയണമെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയില്ല. എന്നോട് ഫസ്റ്റ് വിഷ്ണുവേട്ടൻ സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് പറയാൻ വരുമ്പോഴും ഇത് ജെ എന്റർടൈൻമെന്റ്സിന്റെ ആണ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴും ഈ വ്യക്തിയെ കാണണമെന്ന് എനിക്കൊരു ആഗ്രഹം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. എനിക്കിപ്പോഴും ശരിക്കും വിശ്വസിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല ഞാൻ ഈ സ്റ്റേജിൽ ജോൺ സാറിന്റെ തൊട്ടടുത്ത് ഇരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് എന്നുള്ളത് എനിക്ക് ശരിക്കും വിശ്വസിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. ശരിക്കും എക്സൈറ്റഡ് ആണ്, നെർവസ് ആണ്. അത്രേ പറയാനുള്ളൂ. താങ്ക് യു.
ഓക്കെ, കഥാപാത്രത്തെ പറ്റി എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയാനുള്ള സമയം ഡയറക്ടർ സാർ സമ്മതിക്കുമോ? ഇല്ല,
ഇല്ല, സമ്മതിക്കില്ല.
നെവർ.
ആൻഡ് ദെൻ ഡയറക്ടർ വിഷ്ണു ശിവപ്രസാദ് മീഡിയയില് നമ്മള് മീഡിയക്കാരെ വിളിച്ചപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും ചോദിക്കാനുള്ള ഡൗട്ട് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ജോൺ എബ്രഹാം ആസ് എ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസർ ഈ ഒരു പടത്തിൽ ഉണ്ട്, ജെ എന്റർടൈൻമെന്റ് പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് മൈക്ക് എന്നുള്ളത്. പെട്ടെന്ന് അദ്ദേഹം ഇവിടെ പ്രസ് മീറ്റിന് വേണ്ടി എത്തുന്നു. അത് തന്നെ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു സർപ്രൈസ് ആയിരുന്നു. സോ മലയാള സിനിമയുടെ കാര്യം പറയുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ടീസറും ട്രെയിലറും ഒക്കെ കാണിക്കുമ്പോഴേക്കും എവിടെയും തൊടാതെ കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങൾ കാണിക്കുന്ന സംഭവത്തിലാണ്. എപ്പോഴും സസ്പെൻസ് ആണ്. ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ ജോൺ സാർ ഇവിടെ എത്തിയത് വലിയൊരു സസ്പെൻസ് ആണ്. മൈക്കിൽ ജോൺ എബ്രഹാം ഉണ്ടോ?
മൈക്കില് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസർ ജോൺ എബ്രഹാം ആണ്. അപ്പൊ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി മൈക്കിൽ ജോൺ എബ്രഹാം കൊണ്ടാണ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്.
അല്ല ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കാം, ജോൺ സാറിന് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട 3 മലയാള ചിത്രങ്ങൾ റീസെന്റ്.
Well, we have two of them. We've got Ayappan Koshi and Nayadu and Malik. I think these are the 3 films I saw of late. I saw Kala also. Kala, that was fantastic. So some of those, the action in that was outstanding. It's Prabhu only's done it, right? The action, outstanding. Prabhu, good job. So I think we picked the right cast and the right crew for Mike, and I think we've picked up the best of all the worlds. But yeah, these are the few films that I've enjoyed watching.
So it's clear that he has been watching all the movies that has been recently released in Malayalam. Malayaligal കാണുന്നതിനേക്കാൾ കൂടുതൽ I think you have been watching the Malayalam movies. Anyway.
Yeah, my mom is a non-Malayali. My mom's favorite actor is Mohanlal. Wow. So it's simple, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's just cinema transcends every border, and that's what I say. Good cinema can exist in any language. You don't need language to stop a film, and I think Malayalam cinema has done just that. And it's not. I'm not saying that because I'm sitting here. I'm sitting here because I mean that. So it's congratulations to all of you.
So it was actually a pleasure having you all here with us. I mean, we cannot just stop staring at you, but still, I think you'll have to leave. You have more important things to do as well. So whatever it is with your life, all the very best to you and for Mike and the entire cast and crew of Mike. Thank you so much. We really had a good time together. Maybe, hopefully soon, Mike might relate to the audio launch or maybe for some pre-release functions. We shall all see soon. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great journey back home. Have a safe journey back home. Good night and thank you so much, John sir. All the best. Vishnu, Anishwara, Rajit and sir, thank you so much.